This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning guys, June 3rd, 2019. This one here, I got a call for water leaking around a boiler. So I talked to the lady, she said it's coming out the relief valve out the back. So I have worked on this old beast before, quite a few times. Recently I changed the power venter motor on it, I believe, and she's a little crusty. So we'll go, I know she's got a storage tank there. So it might not be the expansion tank, it might be the storage tank leaking, could be anything like that. Might be a bad relief valve, bad feeder. Go over there, I know it's an old oil-fired Burnham steel boiler is what she's got there. It's an old one, it's an old crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Well, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there and see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's just a relief valve or something simple.
On Creek Road.
Is when I did that, 3 years old. Expansion tank high vent relief valve. What, there's any water in that thing? Yeah, it's leaking right off the relief valve, see it? It'll be a bad relief valve. Window with the holes, I guess. So we're just gonna drain it right out the window there and change that relief valve for now. I don't think it's this tank. Yeah, tank's no good. Nothing. Tank's bad too. Yeah, we need a new tank, new relief valve. Gotta get that tank out of there. Here's the wrench you need, it's thin. Number 8, that's what you need to get that off of there. Because if it's not thin, it's not going to fit. And I got a piece of 1-inch copper. If I need a cheater, I'll put on there. It's coming off. It's going to be real heavy, it's full of water. So you got to get under it with your shoulder.
gonna be real heavy. Be surprised how heavy it is. So I'm right under it on my shoulder up on a bucket here. Well, it's not that heavy, but heavy enough. The ones I just kind of put them on by hand. They won't leak. That's good. Alright. I think I've been back here before. Gonna be like a contortionist. Might be a little water in here because I'm going up with the hose a little bit, but shit happens. Let me get this one all prepped, ready to go. A little dope in here, just in case I need it. Said there might be a little water in there. Not much I can do about it. So you call doing it on the fly. I gotta get another pipe wrench. This one's all stripped. I got a new one in the truck. These jaws are all gone on this thing. You know Taj Mahal here, mama. Good enough for this neighborhood. I'm gonna open up these 1, 2 zones. I got all these off here. 1, 2, 3. And then the storage tank just comes over and through there. It's going out to bleed that. I gotta do these 3 zones here. That's going up through the house. That's a split loop there. And then that's probably the basement.
Let me know when I can write you a check.
Okay. What I had to do is I didn't plane the expansion tank
Yeah,
and the relief valve because the tank was bad. So that's why the relief valve was going.
okay. Whatever.
But we're getting it going.
That's perfect, thank you. As long as I don't have water all over the floor, that would be good. Thank you.
Here comes the air now. You gotta pull them zone valve heads down so you can get a purge through. And the 3rd one, actually the 4th one. So I did that one over there for the storage tank. New tank, a new relief valve. Oh well here. Yeah, there wasn't a lot of air in there because I really didn't drain a lot out. I got that one there open. I got these 1, 2, 3 restored. Restore the zone valve head. And this one, and we're ready to go. Alright, new expansion tank, new relief valve, purge zones. Just gotta grab my hose outside there. You miss me. Oh yeah, I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. Yeah, you miss me. I know it. I know you did. You love Daddy. You love Daddy. Oh, I know you love Daddy.